Hello everyone. The information I'm going to share with you comes directly from technicians who work every day repairing appliances in this well-known workshop. So don't worry, we're going to help you fix it. The E7 error in treadmills is one of those that looks alarming at first, but when you analyze it properly, it almost always points to a very specific issue. Many customers arrive saying, the machine starts walking and after a few seconds it stops with E7, and from that point we already know the system is detecting an irregularity in speed or in the motor signal. Workshop technicians explain that this code appears when the treadmill cannot maintain a stable reading between the sensor and the control board. As we begin the diagnosis, there are customers who say, the belt moves but then slows down like it's losing power. In these cases, the first thing we check is the speed sensor, because it's responsible for telling the machine how the belt is rotating. Technicians often say, if the sensor is not reading correctly, the treadmill gets confused and shuts down to protect itself. Many times the issue is something as simple as accumulated dirt or a slight misalignment of the sensor, but it's enough to trigger the E7 error. Continuing with what we see in the workshop, there are also customers who mention the machine feels heavy right before the error appears. Here we start looking at the motor and the system's friction, because when the belt is too tight or lacks lubrication, the motor is forced to work harder. Technicians explain that the system detects this extra load and interprets it as a potential failure. A technician puts it simply, when the motor has to work harder than normal, the system doesn't wait for it to break. It shuts down for safety. On the other hand, we also find cases where customers say, everything seems normal, but the error appears when I increase the speed. Here we move into a more technical area, which is the control board or motor controller. Workshop technicians explain that this board regulates the power going to the motor, and if it starts to fail, the speed becomes unstable. That instability causes the system to lose synchronization and eventually triggers the E7 error as a protective measure. Going deeper into diagnostics, there are customers who mention the belt kind of slips or pauses for a second before the error appears. In these cases, we check the belt tension and the condition of the running surface, because if it is too loose or too tight, the movement stops being uniform. Technicians often say that a treadmill needs perfect mechanical balance, because any misalignment creates extra strain on the motor, and that's what ultimately triggers the error.